Whether you're looking to save money on fuel or do your small part to save the environment, battery-powered lawnmowers are an easy way to do so without sacrificing function. Battery-powered mowers are cordless, don't use gasoline, and are typically best for small to medium-sized yards. There are a few important factors to consider when looking for the best battery-powered lawn mower, according to Nicole Durden. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 battery-powered lawn mowers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Greenworks 40 volts cordless lawn mower. The Greenworks cordless lawn mower is our pick for the best battery-powered lawn mower for those on a budget. It has 5 height settings, mulching, and rear bagging capabilities. For a push mower, it's lightweight at 37.5 pounds, as light as our pick for the best lightweight mower. Some lawnmowers on this list weigh as much as 66 pounds. With this mower, even though you have to do the work of pushing it around the yard, it makes the task much less difficult. It also has 5 height adjustments to choose from. This lawn mower can cut from 1.25 inches to 3.375 inches. When it comes to mowing, it's important to have a plan when it comes to handling your clippings, and this lawn mower offers options for both mulching and rear bagging. It even comes with a collection bag, should you choose to use it. Number 2. Ego Power 21-inch self-propelled lawn mower. We've chosen the Ego Power Plus LM2101 SP cordless lawn mower as the best self-propelled push lawn mower because it is easy to use, thanks to a powerful self-propel feature that makes it perfect for small to medium-sized yards. Self-propelled mowers use the motor to propel the mower forward, which means it takes less of an effort on the user's part to cut the grass. During our testing, we noted that it may be ideal for those with limited strength or mobility since it doesn't require as much muscle use as other push mowers. While testing, we found that it was simple to adjust the cutting height, the propelling speed, and the height of the handle with just one hand. It comes with LED lights, so if you are looking to beat the heat and mow your lawn before the sun rises or as it is setting, you will still be able to see what you're cutting. Number 3. Makita XML03CM 136 volts lawn mower kit. Our pick for the best battery-powered lawn mower for small yards is the Makita brushless lawn mower. The Makita comes with 4 batteries, which power the mower for long enough to cut up to 0.33 acres of land in 43 minutes or less. It runs on 2 of those batteries at a time. Its brushless motor also allows you to cut grass faster at 2,500 to 3,300 rotations per minute. The batteries are equipped with battery overload, overheat, and over-discharge protection, which helps to extend the battery life by shutting it down before damage can occur. Not looking to disturb your neighbors when you get up early to mow the lawn? The Makita brushless lawn mower has a quiet mode that reduces noise by providing constant speed control. With a single lever, you can adjust the height of the mower to 10 different heights. Number 4. Black Plus Decker 40 volts cordless lawn mower. We chose the Black Plus Decker cordless lawn mower because it is affordable, and it is only 38 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver around your yard. The mower's technology also makes it simple to use as it determines the height of your grass and adjusts accordingly to increase power and preserve battery life. Because it's lightweight, it is also a pretty compact model, with handles that fold down to make storage simpler. Additionally, this model has carrying handles that make moving it easy. It's the best battery-powered lawn mower for people who need a mower that is lightweight and convenient to carry. This battery-powered lawn mower has plenty of practical features as well and includes 6 cutting heights that range from 1 inch to 3 inches, and the single lever height adjustment is easy to use. It also has a 9.5-gallon grass bag, which is attached to the back of the mower. Number 5. Ryobi 40 volt HP dual blade self-propelled mower. The Ryobi 40 volts HP brushless 21-inch mower is our choice for the best battery-powered push mower because it is intuitive to use with self-propelled technology that makes it possible to intuitively adjust the speed, plus it has options for clipping disposal. We found that it took a bit to get used to maneuvering this lawn mower over uneven ground, as we needed to change the blade height in order to keep it from getting stuck. Otherwise, it was extremely easy to use, even on grass that was 6 inches high. The yard tested typically takes 45 minutes to mow, and this battery-powered lawn mower managed to get it done in 20 minutes. We were able to use the mower 3 times, each round ranging from 10 to 15 minutes, without having to charge the battery, which holds a charge for up to 70 minutes. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.